Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing all great. Today I'm gonna share with you how I made this absolutely amazing lemon cake with the lemon curd filling. Very easy and very delicious. If you like lemon, you can absolutely love this cake. So the cake itself is with lemon and cream as well, and also I made the lemon curd in the middle. As you can see, it's all in the middle, the lemon curd. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video if you do like it, and share it with friends and family. So first thing I'm gonna do the cake. I have 250 grams of unsalted butter, soft, and I have 300 grams of sugar and zest of two lemons. And I'm gonna mix in the mixer here, the electric mixer. I'm gonna beat it up for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna add 3 eggs, one by one. Sorry. And then after that I removed it from the electric mixer. I'm gonna use it just with my hand. So I have a juice of 2 lemons and 240 ml of sour cream. You can use buttermilk as well if you don't want to use sour cream. I have a little bit of vanilla extract. I'm gonna leave you all the ingredients on the description box. Last thing, I'm gonna use 300 grams of self-raising flour with half a teaspoon of baking soda. It's quite thick butter. So I have here my mold that I'm gonna take to the oven. I have 4 here. So I'm just gonna divide the equal quantity in each one of them, and then I put them in the oven for 180 until they're nice and brown, a little bit to cook through. For the lemon curd, I have 65 grams of sugar, a juice of 1 lemon and a zest of 1 lemon, and I have 1 whole egg and 3 egg yolk. So I'm just gonna mix them together, and then I'm gonna take the bowl and put it on top of another bowl that has water, and keep stirring it until it cooks through, as you can see here. After it changes the color, as you can see, is a lighter color. I'm gonna put 50 grams of butter, and just keep mixing it until the butter is all melted. Make sure you do that when the curd is still hot. That's it. Last thing, I'm gonna use a sieve to put it through a sieve, just to make sure that there is no lumps or anything like that, and then I'm gonna keep it aside until I need it. For the cream, I have 250 grams of mascarpone cream, and I have 600 ml of double chocolate. You can use butter if you want butter cream. So I'm just gonna mix them together a little bit, and then I'm gonna use the machine for a bit. And then I'm gonna add icing sugar, 200 grams of icing sugar. And I'm also gonna add, first I'm gonna add a, a juice of one lemon, of one lemon, sorry, but then it didn't taste that much lemony, so I added 2 lemons. So in the end I used 3 lemons, a juice of 3 lemons. So it depends on the taste of how much you want the cream to be lemony or not. So that's it. When the cream is ready, I have my first layer there, I have my curd, and I have my cream. So I just put the first layer straight away on the board, and I'm gonna put a little bit of cream and just spread it around all over the first layer. And just kind of make like a small space in the middle for the curd so it doesn't come out from the sides. Just cover it all with the curd. That's it. I just put the next one on top and then keep going until I finish all my 4 layers. As you can see here, keep going with the same thing, cream and the curd in the middle. So then I'm gonna put the last one and just make sure everything is leveled up, and then cover it all with the cream. So I'm just gonna put the first layer for the it's called the crumbs layer, so just to keep everything in place, and then I'll put it in the fridge for a few minutes and then bring it out again and put another layer. So I'm just gonna remove any excess cream and just keep going until the whole cake is covered up and is all leveled. So yeah, so when the cake is ready, I'm just gonna put a little bit of like a small dot like with the cream, and then I'm gonna use the back of a measuring spoon to make a hole in the middle on each one of them, so I can put a little bit of the lemon curd. As you can see, I'm using the measuring spoon here at the back of it. I'm just gonna press it and then take it from the side, just to make like a small hole in each one of them, and I'm gonna put a little bit of the lemon curd, as I said. Sorry about the lighting, because the sun was literally shining on the place where I'm making the cake. So it just it's a simple decoration really, but it looks, I think it looks nice. So there we have it. Lemon cake with lemon curd and lemon cream, everything lemony. So there we have it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it طبعا. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.